Life is full of surprises, and let's be honest, not all of them are good. A sudden storm could damage your home. A fender bender could leave you with hefty repair bills. These unexpected events can really put a strain on your finances. That's where property and casualty insurance comes in, providing a safety net for those just-in-case moments. It's about protecting the things you've worked hard for and having peace of mind when life throws you a curveball. Think of it as a financial umbrella, shielding you from the downpour of unexpected expenses. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down the ins and outs of property and casualty insurance, giving you the knowledge to make informed decisions about protecting what matters most. So buckle up and let's dive in. Here at the Dave Ramsey Show, we're all about helping you take control of your money and make smart financial decisions. That's why we're excited to introduce you to InsureSavvy, your one-stop shop for all things insurance. We believe that understanding your insurance needs shouldn't be complicated. Whether you're a homeowner looking for the right coverage or a car owner navigating the world of auto insurance, we're here to empower you with the knowledge you need. We'll break down complex insurance jargon into plain English, provide practical tips for finding the best deals, and keep you updated on the latest industry trends. Our goal is simple: to make you an InsureSavvy consumer. This isn't just another boring insurance article. We're going deep, folks. We're talking about everything from the basic definition of property and casualty insurance to the nitty-gritty details of policy structures, key coverages, and even the latest technological advancements in the industry. We'll equip you with the knowledge to understand your insurance needs, ask the right questions, and find the coverage that aligns perfectly with your budget and lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or a first-time car buyer, this guide will provide invaluable insights to help you navigate the world of insurance with confidence. Let's get started. In a nutshell, property and casualty insurance is a safety net for your belongings and your liability. It's designed to protect you financially from unexpected events that could lead to significant expenses. Think of it as a financial buffer against the uncertainties of life. Property insurance covers your physical assets, such as your home, car, or personal belongings, from damage or loss caused by covered events like fire, theft, or natural disasters. Casualty insurance, on the other hand, protects you from financial liability if you're found responsible for causing harm to someone else or their property. This could include things like car accidents, slip and falls on your property, or even dog bites. Section 5, Deconstructing your policy declarations, coverages, and more. In this section, we will take a deep dive into the various components that make up your insurance policy. Understanding these elements is crucial for making informed decisions about your coverage and ensuring that you are adequately protected. An insurance policy can feel like a foreign language, but it doesn't have to be that way. With a little bit of guidance, you can navigate through the complexities and make sense of the terms and conditions. This will help you to not only understand what you are paying for, but also to make sure that you are getting the best value for your money. Let's break down the key components of a typical property and casualty policy. These components are designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of what is covered, what is not, and how you can customize your policy to fit your specific needs. Declarations page. This is your policy's cover letter. It serves as a summary of the most important details of your policy. It outlines the essential details of your coverage, including your name, address, policy period, coverage limits, and deductibles. This page is crucial because it provides a snapshot of your policy, making it easier to understand at a glance. Coverage forms. This section dives into the specifics of what's covered by your policy. It provides detailed information about the types of coverage included and the conditions under which they apply. It outlines the types of perils, or events that could cause damage or loss, that are covered, as well as any exclusions or limitations. For example, it might specify that damage from natural disasters like storms or fires is covered, but damage from floods might not be unless you have a specific endorsement. Endorsements. These are like add-ons or modifications to your policy. They allow you to tailor your coverage to better suit your individual needs. They allow you to customize your coverage by adding or removing specific protections based on your individual needs. For instance, you might add an endorsement to cover valuable items like jewelry or electronics that are not fully covered under the standard policy. Exclusions. Every policy has exclusions, which are events or situations that are not covered. These are important to understand because they define the limits of your coverage. It's crucial to understand these exclusions to avoid any surprises when filing a claim. Knowing what is not covered can help you take additional steps to protect yourself, such as purchasing additional coverage or taking preventive measures. Understanding these basic elements will empower you to review your policy with a keen eye, ensuring you have the right coverage in place. By being informed, you can make better decisions and have peace of mind knowing that you are adequately protected. Always take the time to read through your policy documents and ask questions if something is unclear. Your insurance agent is there to help you understand your coverage and make any necessary adjustments. Section 6. Named-Perils, Deductibles, and Other Insurance Jargon Explained. The insurance industry is notorious for its confusing jargon. With so many terms and conditions, it can be overwhelming to understand what your policy actually covers and what it doesn't. Let's demystify some common terms. Understanding these can help you make more informed decisions and ensure you have the right coverage for your needs. Named peril coverage. This type of policy specifically lists the perils that are covered, such as fire, theft, or vandalism. Essentially, if a peril is named in the policy, it's covered. If an event is not listed, it's not covered. This can be limiting, but it also makes it clear what is and isn't included in your coverage. Open peril coverage. Also known as all-risk coverage, this type of policy covers any peril that is not specifically excluded. This means that unless something is explicitly mentioned as not covered, it is included in your policy. It provides broader protection than named peril coverage, offering peace of mind that you're protected against a wider range of potential risks. Deductible. This is the amount you're responsible for paying out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. For example, if you have a $500 deductible and you incur $2,000 in damages, you would pay the first $500 and your insurance would cover the remaining $1,500. Higher deductibles typically result in lower premiums. This means you'll pay less each month, but more if you need to make a claim. It's a trade-off that can save you money in the long run if you don't anticipate needing to file many claims. Premium. This is the price you pay for your insurance coverage, usually paid monthly, quarterly, or annually. Your premium is determined by various factors, including the type of coverage, the amount of coverage, and your personal risk factors. Liability coverage. This part of your policy protects you if you're found legally responsible for causing harm to someone else or their property. For instance, if someone slips and falls on your property, liability coverage can help cover their medical expenses and any legal fees if they decide to sue. By familiarizing yourself with these terms, you'll be better equipped to understand your policy and communicate effectively with your insurance agent. This knowledge can help you choose the right coverage, avoid unnecessary costs, and ensure you're adequately protected. Section 7. Selling security, tips for engaging clients. For insurance agents, building trust and rapport with clients is paramount. This trust forms the foundation of a successful client-agent relationship and is essential for long-term success in the insurance industry. Here are some tips for effectively communicating the value of property and casualty insurance. Speak in plain English. This means avoiding complex terminology that might confuse clients. Avoid industry jargon and use clear, concise language that everyone can understand. Focus on the why. Explain why certain coverages are necessary and how they can protect the client's assets and peace of mind. Don't just sell a policy, sell peace of mind. Clients need to feel that their well-being and security are your top priorities. Emphasize the emotional benefits of having insurance protection. Highlight how insurance can provide a safety net during unexpected events, ensuring that clients and their families are taken care of. Personalize the experience. Tailor your approach to each client's unique needs and circumstances. This means understanding their specific situation and offering solutions that are most relevant to them. Educate, don't intimidate. Empower clients with knowledge about their coverage options without overwhelming them. Use visual aids and simple explanations to make complex concepts more accessible. Build long-term relationships. Insurance is about more than just transactions. It's about building lasting relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Follow up with clients regularly to ensure their needs are being met. By following these tips, insurance agents can establish themselves as trusted advisors, guiding clients toward the coverage they need to protect what matters most. This not only helps in retaining clients but also in gaining referrals, as satisfied clients are more likely to recommend your services to others. Section 8. The future of insurance, AI, telematics, and beyond. The insurance industry is on the cusp of a technological revolution. Artificial intelligence, telematics, and other cutting-edge advancements are transforming the way insurance is priced, underwritten, and delivered. AI-powered risk assessment. AI algorithms are being used to analyze vast amounts of data to assess risk more accurately, leading to more personalized pricing and underwriting decisions. Telematics for personalized auto insurance. Telematics devices track driving habits, allowing insurers to offer customized auto insurance rates based on individual driving behavior. Digital-first customer experiences. From online quotes to mobile claims filing, the insurance customer journey is becoming increasingly digital, offering greater convenience and efficiency. These technological advancements are not only streamlining the insurance process, but also empowering consumers with greater transparency, personalization, and control over their coverage. Section 9. Protecting your future with confidence. Property and casualty insurance is not just about protecting your belongings. It's about protecting your financial well-being and providing peace of mind for the unexpected twists and turns of life. By understanding the basics of insurance, you can make informed decisions about your coverage, ensuring that you and your loved ones are protected when it matters most. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to insurance, being informed is the best policy. Section 10. Let's keep the conversation going. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the conversation about insurance is far from over. What questions do you have about property and casualty insurance? What topics would you like us to explore further? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We're here to help you navigate the world of insurance with confidence and make smart financial decisions that align with your values and goals. Let's keep the conversation going.